Hi, my name is Darren Joseph from HTJ.tax. It's the middle of September 2023, and I'm in the US. I'm here for the annual America Outbound Conference. So I'm in New York and Beverly Hills, a great conference that brought together so many qualified advisors helping Americans move overseas, or at least get their plan B in order. And today, I want to talk about one of the issues we discussed. Someone is asking about the US reporting requirements for a family SCI. This is in France. They say that they're confused about what to do. The kids, the husband, and themselves are equal shareholders, and the kids have new propriété shares, and it's a small SCI of rental properties. So first of all, what is an SCI? SCI stands for Société Civile Immobilière, which is a legal structure that's normally used for holding real estate. And what is it come in to use? What is its purpose? It's really like an estate planning tool, in that, generally speaking, French estate duty applies to both the main and secondary residences upon the death of the owner. So what the SCI does, it imposes discipline between the co-owners and avoids the inconvenience of an indivision. And it's also transparent for French tax purposes. So it's not a tax play. It is really about estate planning. So the SCI is not empowered under statutes to undertake any commercial activity. It's just a holding. It's like a holding structure. And the parts of the shares in the SCI become, upon the death of the owner, that they pass in accordance with the rule of domicile of the deceased, but it avoids French heirship rules. So it defines who gets what according to the SCI structure. So she mentioned the kids have no propriété shares. So what does that mean? So that loosely translated is bare ownership, where the the bare owner would be those that can sell it. Whereas the usufructuary, which I speak about in other videos, they define, and as well as articles on our website, htj.tax, it talks about who can occupy the property or who can receive rental income, for example. So it segregates the person who has a capacity to dispose of it from the person who has a capacity to use it and enjoy it. So the bare ownership means that they just have the capacity to dispose of it later on. Okay, so let's cut to the chase. What does that mean from a US tax reporting point of view? Generally speaking, of course, facts and circumstances will drive it, but generally speaking, there'll be a Form 8865 for certain foreign partnerships. So that's typically what we would use, a Form 8865. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us.
So if you're a 6, 7, or 8-figure investor, entrepreneur, or business owner who needs a tailor-made solution from a qualified team of professionals, we can help you achieve the international lifestyle, the freedom, and even the tax savings you're looking for. Visit us at htj.tax and live that international life.